Sugarcane is a plant that helps make the sugar we use in our foods and drinks. It's a big deal because billions of tons of sugarcane are grown and harvested worldwide to make sugar. In 2021, the world grew a lot of sugarcane, around 1.9 billion tons. The top sugarcane growers were Brazil, India, China, Thailand, and Pakistan, with Brazil leading the way. Each hectare of sugarcane gives about 60 to 70 tons on average. But this can change due to the weather and how it's farmed. People worldwide eat sugar, with an average person consuming roughly 23 kilograms, about 51 pounds, per year. Yet, this amount can differ from one place to another. Growing sugarcane is like growing a tall grass. It needs a lot of sunshine and rain to grow well. Sugarcane is usually planted in fields. As the months go by, sugarcane grows tall with big green leaves. It can reach heights of 6 to 19 feet. When it's ready, it's time to harvest the sugarcane. Harvesting sugarcane is a bit of hard work. Farmers use special machines to cut the sugarcane stalks close to the ground. These machines are like big knives that can quickly slice through the tall plants. Once the sugarcane is cut, it's loaded onto trucks and taken to a sugar mill or refinery. At the mill, they squeeze the sugarcane to get the juice out. This juice is then processed to make sugar. Making sugar from sugarcane involves many steps. It starts with raw sugar, which isn't suitable for eating. The first step is to get this raw sugar from one of the Mackay mills. It comes in trucks and goes into a big container. Then, it's sent to the sugar refinery at a rate of 55 to 60 tons per hour. To refine the sugar, they mix the raw sugar with hot syrup called raw wash, creating a mixture called magma. This mixture is spun really fast in a machine to separate the sugar from the syrup. They also spray hot water on it to help with the separation. This process removes about 30% of the color from the original raw sugar. The remaining sugar crystals are mixed with hot water to make a liquid with about 65% sugar. They remove any big particles and then add lime and special acid to it. This makes impurities stick together and float to the top. Once they remove this floating layer, they have clear liquid. To make the sugar even cleaner, they heat it more and pass it through sand and gravel filters before using activated carbon columns to remove more color. They always check the color of the liquid to make sure it meets their standards. Then, they take out the extra water by using a special machine, which makes the sugar more concentrated. This concentrated liquid goes into vacuum pans with CSR caster sugar to grow sugar crystals. This process is automatic and makes sugar crystals that are all the same size. Next, they spin the mixture very fast in another machine to remove the syrup. The amount of water they add during this step decides the final color of the sugar crystals. The syrup they remove can be used to make other types of sugar. Finally, they send the sugar crystals through a big dryer to remove extra moisture. After that, the sugar is stored in a big container for 24 to 36 hours. This is how they make high-quality sugar in Australia.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.